Looking for the best Bluetooth speaker for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 Bluetooth speaker that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a Bluetooth speaker that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended Bluetooth speaker. Number 1 on the list is Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2. Ultimate Ears shows once again that speakers don't have to be expensive to be good. Our Wonderboom 2 review said that the little speaker could get shockingly loud for its size and sounds excellent for just about every type of music, from pop to rock and classical. The Wonderboom 2 also has omnidirectional sound, making it great for parties. It comes in multiple flashy colors, and you can pair it up with another speaker, although it works only with another Wonderboom 2 speaker. It's also IP67 certified, meaning it's resistant to dust and submersion in water. In fact, half of the photos you'll find online of the Wonderboom 2 feature the speaker floating in pools. As a bonus, the Wonderboom 2 is rated to withstand drops up to 5 feet and lasts 13 hours between each charge. Not bad at all for a speaker of this size, and the fact that it sits in the sweet spot as one of the best. Second on the list is JBL Charge 5. JBL is another instantly recognizable name in portable audio, and the Charge 5 is its latest large, bulky speaker with deep bass and 20 hours of battery life. Its namesake feature is its ability to share that battery. The Charge 5 has a USB-A port next to its USB-C charging port that can be used to share power from its 7,500 mAh battery to charge your phone while you listen to music. Like many other speakers on this list, the JBL Charge 5 is water resistant, bearing IP67 certification, so long as you keep the rubber gaskets closed. If you like singing in the shower, this is the best shower speaker on the market, but it's also handy if you're throwing an all-day pool party or going out on the water during a camping trip. The JBL Charge 5 is easily one of your best options as it eliminates the need to buy and carry a separate battery pack. Number 3 on the list is Sonos Move. Sonos made a name for itself thanks to its fantastic connected smart speakers, but for years it never made one that you could move around or even leave the house with. Heck, Sonos speakers didn't even work with Bluetooth before 2019. Enter the Sonos Move, a speaker that looks and sounds as great by the pool as it does on your end table. The Move comes with a charging dock, not that you'll need it too often. However, when you take it out and about, you'll get a solid 10 hours on a single charge. Thankfully, the speaker is water and dust resistant, so it should hold up just as well outside as you do. And yes, it is a bit bulkier and heavier than many speakers on this list, but the built-in handle helps make up for that a bit and makes it much easier to pick up and move around. Number 4 on the list is Anker Soundcore 2. There isn't much to complain about this affordable speaker, at least according to our Anker Soundcore 2 review. Anker's speaker packs respectable sound and all-day battery life into a small, rugged chassis for a fraction of other Bluetooth speaker prices. The Soundcore 2 is waterproof and rated to last for a full 24 hours. Of course, you'd hope Anker of all brands would be able to provide good battery life. Unfortunately, the Soundcore 2 is significantly lacking in bass. And that's down to its diminutive size. It's also a bit quiet compared to other speakers on this list. Still, as one of the best cheap Bluetooth speakers under $50, it's a great little speaker available in a few color options, and you can even buy more than one and pair them together for surround sound audio. Number 5 on the list is Ultimate Ears Boom 3. Our Ultimate Ears Boom 3 review proclaimed this a great all-around Bluetooth speaker because it does about everything just right. It comes in a perfectly portable size at a shade under 2 pounds and is only 8 inches tall. It comes in several fun colors to suit just about every mood. It also sounds great, thanks to its immersive 360-degree balanced design. This is also a great pool party speaker. Not only is the Boom 3 IP67 water resistant, but it can actually float and even stay submerged in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. The Boom 3 has what Ultimate Ears describes as a one-touch magic button that can be used for play/pause controls or to set up custom one-touch playlists through Spotify, Amazon Music Unlimited, Apple Music, or Deezer Premium. And just like other Ultimate Ears speakers, you can pair this with over 150 other Boom, Megaboom, or Hyperboom speakers for the ultimate street party. Just now is a list of 5 best Bluetooth speaker that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.